If you're tired of having to charge your devices separately, this 3-in-1 unit could be just what you need. The Ciyoyo wireless charging station. Wireless chargers are commonplace nowadays, and we're seeing more units that offer simultaneous charging of 2 or 3 devices. Yet this Ciyoyo unit doubles up as a stand too. Available in white as well as the matte black we have here, the unit itself feels rather robust and premium in the hand with a soft touch feel all over. Other than the branding on the front, there's not much more to see here, yet it's styled to provide an elegant touch, whether it's on your desk or your bedside table. And thanks to the rubberized base, it'll stay put wherever you place it. On the rear we find a single USB-C port used with the included cable to provide power to the device, along with some holes on the rear of the stand for heat dissipation, but otherwise there's not much more to it. On the very top we have a base for placement of an Apple Watch, which begins charging at 3 watts as soon as it touches the base, and the magnetic attachment does keep the watch on the base quite firm. The odd knock or bump shouldn't faze it. Just below we have the main smartphone charging stand, compatible with up to 10 watts charging, and with a rubber-lined ridge which not only holds the handset in place but also incorporates some charging status LEDs for quick feedback. We have a 2-coil design here as well, providing the ability to charge the handset in either portrait or landscape orientation, handy for charging on your desk while you watch a video for instance. If that weren't enough, we have a rubber base just behind the stand providing 5 watts charging power, used for charging a set of Apple Airpods, in a wireless charging case of course, or any other wireless earbuds for that matter. There's not much more one can say with regards to a wireless charger. I much prefer the stand design over a charging pad, making it easier to view your smartphone screen and have the handset at a comfortable viewing angle on your desk. Throughout testing it's continued to work perfectly well and is therefore easy to recommend.